This week we're looking at improving your home by replacing your roof. Not the most glamorous home improvement project, but such an important one, because if you don't have a good roof on your house, you may as well not waste your time doing anything inside the home to improve it. It's so important to keep all of the elements of weather out of your home by having a good roof. Now, the owner of this house, James Long, really needed a new roof because his original roof was over 20 years old. It was curling up on its ends really badly and creating a lot of leaks throughout the entire house. So he dropped by the design center that we looked at earlier and worked with the folks there to pick out the right roofing material for his house. What he chose is a real popular choice. It's an architecturally designed asphalt shingle, which is just a little bit more than a traditional 3-tab roof, but looks so much nicer, nice texture, plenty of color, so great choice they made here. Now, when you think of a re-roofing project and re-roofing your own home, you may think about a lot of mess, a lot of noise, and a little bit of uncertainty because the roof is being removed before the new roof is being installed. But if it's done right, the process will go just as smooth as it did for these homeowners. The first step in the process was removing the old roofing material. This is critical because most manufacturers of asphalt shingles won't warranty their product if it's applied over an existing roof. Besides affecting the performance of the new roof, the old roof adds unneeded weight. These guys took off every single shingle and all of the old building felt beneath it so that they could clean and inspect the decking for possible damage. In some areas, they had to remove fairly large sections of decking and replace them with new plywood before they could begin re-roofing. The new shingles arrived just as the old roof was cleared away, and they were staged on the ridge of the roof as the new underlayment was starting to go down. For this roof, they used 30-pound builder's felt. In some cases, the shingle manufacturer will require a specific underlayment to adhere to their warranty guidelines. It's important that these kind of details are taken care of so that the roof and the warranty will hold up for a long time. Things like the amount of overlap on each piece of felt, the spacing of nails on the felt, and the number of nails in each shingle have to be considered to satisfy these warranty guidelines and building codes. Once you get past the rules, the skill of the roofers take over, making sure that the courses are nice and straight and the valleys are properly woven together. These guys also had a large enough crew to get the new roof installed quickly so that the Long's home was protected from the weather.